Turtle's Kitchen, and today I have an abundance of carrots, and I wanted to show you a very flavorful way to prepare them. That's just not your basic boil and butter that a lot of us grew up with. And again, I try to focus on ingredients that you have at home or that are fairly inexpensive. So let's get started. So I am just going to peel. I have five rather large size, medium sized carrots, and I am going to peel them and show you briefly in a second how to cut them. All right, so my carrots are peeled, and I want to show you a different way maybe that you haven't cut carrots before. I'm going to make them into a coin shape. So this really is just slicing them at an angle, and I want to make sure, they're about, it looks more like 1/3 of an inch on the angle. You want to keep them even so that when we put our sauce on them, they will all cook nice and evenly. And you know what? Look at that. They look so pretty. So you see my carrots are in this lovely coin shape. When I lay them out on this baking sheet, they're just going to get nice and caramelized and roasted. So I'm going to put together my sauce. The oven is preheating to 425 right now. And I have a teaspoon of soy sauce, a tablespoon of olive oil. I also have a tablespoon of honey. Now carrots are naturally sweet, but I wanted to give this sauce or glaze just a little bit of substance to help it kind of grab onto those carrots, but not too sweet. I have the zest and juice of 1 lime. Now I typically buy a lime or two along with a lemon every week just to have. And if I don't use them for a sauce that week, then it's great because I have it to squeeze in my water. I also have a little knob of ginger that I have peeled and frozen. I really like Asian flavors, so you can buy the ginger roots in the grocery store, peel them. You won't use that all for an entire recipe because it's a really intense flavor. So I freeze it, and it makes it so easy, so much more easy actually to grate. And I've probably got, about a teaspoon and a half in there, because it is a flavor that I like a lot. And then I also have a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Now I mentioned that carrots were sweet, so a lot of these ingredients here are designed to be a little spicy, a little, give a little bit of depth, because we do want to draw out a little bit of the sweetness, but we don't want to make it too sweet. So we will drizzle this over our carrots. And lay these out. And we're going to bake these, or roast them actually, for about 15 minutes. So here are our finished coin, honey, lime, spicy carrots. And you can see they're not too soft. There's a little bit of caramelization as well. I actually kept them in for 20 minutes, which seemed to soften them up just the right amount. You can always add a little bit more of any of these ingredients. This is a bit spicy, so if you want to dial the cayenne back, feel free. This is your sauce, and that's the exciting thing, is once you start experimenting and trying things, make it to your taste. So can't wait to serve this tonight for dinner. Thanks so much for tuning in, and please subscribe to see more ideas and recipes in the Crazy Turtle Kitchen. Thanks, take care. Ba-ba. Ba-ba-da.